Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today we are on the last part for chapter 6, which is improper fraction. So by now you should know how to differentiate between a proper fraction and improper fraction. So for improper fraction, the degree of numerator is greater or equal than degree of denominator. Let's say if you have if you have x square over x square plus 1 or x cube over x plus 1. Okay, so if the degree is the highest power of your polynomial of the numerator lagi besar daripada degree of the denominator. Alright, so the first thing that you have to identify is it proper or improper fraction. So if the polynomial is an improper fraction, what you have to do, the first thing that you have to do is long division. Wajib kena buat long division, must do long division. Okay, so how to decompose an improper fraction into a partial fraction. So here's the step that we can do. So macam saya cakap tadi, the first thing that we have to do is a long division. Okay, first thing kamu nampak improper fraction, terus buat long division, tak payah fikir dua kali, terus kita akan apply long division. Okay, so the second step here is we are going to apply the formula. Okay, daripada 6.1 kamu, kita dah belajar, after we do long division, we can express our long division in some expression kan, which is apa expression tu, apa formula kita. Okay, here kita ada from long division. From long division, we will have px over dx, kita akan dapat apa? Equals to qx plus rx over dx, which is the exact same thing that we do in 6.1. Okay, in subtopic 6.1. So that is the formula that we have to use. Okay, that is the second step. Alright, so now, okay, so this is for improper fraction. The third step here that you have to do is partial fraction. Okay, partial for proper fraction. So where is the proper fraction here? Partial for fraction. Okay, partial for proper fraction. Alright, so this is an improper fraction. Okay, the original question. So here is your quotient after you do long division, and then you are going to get this fraction here. So this fraction here is going to be a proper fraction. Okay, saya ingat pula. Okay, this part here will be a proper fraction. Okay, so the question is improper. Here will be a proper fraction. So what are we going to do is we are going to take out this part of the expression and we are going to do a partial fraction. The same exact thing that we do in proper fraction subtopic. Okay, subtopic proper fraction. Samalah, kita ada linear factor, quadratic, repeated, the exact same thing. Okay, so after you have done everything, then the last thing that we have to do is we have to combine. Okay, macam mana kita nak combine? Okay, let's take a look at example 21. We have expressed 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 over x plus 3. Okay, you know that this is a partial fraction question. So the first thing first that you have to identify is either this is a proper or improper fraction. So let's see, the degree up is 2, down here is 2 as well. Okay, bila kita dah masuk dia akan jadi x square kan. So degree dia atas dengan bawah sama, which is this is an improper fraction. Very very important, we do long division first. Okay, sebelum kamu fikirlah apa-apa yang kamu kena buat, just do your long division. 3x squared plus 5x minus 2. Okay, so here kena expand lah. Kita akan ada x squared plus 3x. Okay, so kat sini saya nak highlight lah, kita ada long division, formula, partial fraction, and kita akan combine. So you are going to use LOFPAC. Gitulah. Okay, alright, so the first step tadi kita guna low. Okay, long division. And here will be plus 9x. Okay, sorry. So now 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 9, we have negative 4x. Bawa turun minus 2. And now, as you can see, your remainder here is the degree is less 1 than the divisor. So you should stop. Okay, so this will be your remainder. Okay, bila degree kita less 1 daripada the divisor, we should stop our long division. And then express using this formula. Okay, this formula expression of our long division. That is the second step, which is we have to use the formula. Okay, so now we have px over dx, which is the real question. 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 over xx plus 3. And then we have our quotient, which is 3 plus the remainder negative 4x minus 2. And the divisor again is x plus 3. Okay, so kita tak nak tulis negatif banyak-banyak macam ni. Kita cantikkan dia. We are going to factorize the negative. We have 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 over xx plus 3 equals to 3. Factorize negative. You are going to have 4x plus 2 over xx plus 3. Okay, so that is the second step. The exact same thing apa yang kita buat in chapter 6.1 in subtopic 6.1. Okay, now here is the new thing. This part rx over dx here. Okay, macam saya cakap, ini rx over dx. This yellow part here kita akan keluarkan dia, and we are going to do a partial for proper fraction. Okay, kita akan keluarkan. To step 3, we are going to do partial fraction. Okay, keluarkan dulu. Let's see. Negatif biar sahaja, biar je negatif tu duduk dekat dalam. And we are going to put it for x plus 2 over x plus 3. Okay, apa yang kita akan buat sekarang ialah benda yang sama apa yang kita buat in 6.2. Okay, nampak dekat sini, here is all 6.1 long division. And here we are going to apply 6.2. Okay, so kat sini kamu nampak kita punya denominator both are linear. So how to decompose this partial fraction? Okay, kamu tengok kat sini ini ialah proper fraction. Power bawah, degree bawah 2, degree atas 1. So atas lagi kurang daripada bawah. We can just decompose it as a over x plus b over x plus 3. Okay, now buat macam biasa, cari A dengan B kamu. So siapa yang tak faham lagi this part, boleh pergi dulu the previous video. So here we have ax plus 3 plus bx. And then carilah A dengan B kamu. When x equals to 0, when x equals to negative 3. So here we will have 4, 0 plus 2 equals to bx automatically will be 0. Here will be 0 plus 3. We have 3a equals to 2 and a is equals to 2 over 3. Betul ke jawapan ni? Okay, betul. So now here we have 4 negative 3 plus 2 equals to, this one straight away will be 0. And we have b negative 3. And straight away you will get your b equals to 10 over 3. Okay, jangan lupa every time you do your proper fraction, make sure to express your answer first. Okay, write your answer, which is we have from this part. Okay, this part here we have 4x plus 2 over x plus 3 equals to, our a is 2 over 3 x, our b is 10 over 3 x plus 3. Okay, so that is your proper fraction. But we haven't finished yet. Okay, baru dekat step yang ketiga. Okay, saya kecilkan sikit lah, besar sangat ni. Okay, baru dekat step yang ketiga. So the last step here, which is we are going to combine everything. Okay, dekat mana yang kita nak combine? Kita akan balik semula dekat step yang kedua kita. The answer from the second step here, ini. Okay, kita akan pergi ke step yang keempat. Okay, we are going to combine. So here, you are going to write it back. We have 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 over xx plus 3 equals to, our quotient is 3, but this time the yellow thing here is this thing here. Okay, yellow thing tu dia dah decompose menjadi ini. Okay, ini partial fraction kita. So kita akan pindahkan ini dekat sini, minus 2 over 3x plus 10 over 3x plus 3. Okay, so now just expand sajalah. We have equals to 3 minus 2 over 3x minus 10 over 3x plus 3. Okay, so salin balik, and here is your final answer for improper fraction. Okay, boleh faham ke, nampak ke kat sini? So the first and the second step is basically 6.1. Kita just buat long division and expresskan long division kita. And the second part is from 6.2. Okay, expresskan partial fraction kita, a proper fraction kita. Yang baru ialah 6.3, kita gabungkan from this expression and this expression. Okay, so now we are going to continue. Okay, lagi sekali. Alright, so from here we are going to turn this into this. Okay, so let's see another example, one more example. We have example 22. First, identify, is this an improper fraction? Atas powernya ialah 3, degree 3. Bawah degree dia ialah 1, 2, 3 as well. Okay, so degree sama, maksudnya kita kena buat long division. Okay, so the first step ialah long division. Okay, let's quickly do our long division. But before that, yang bawah ni kena expand lah. So when we expand this, we will get x plus 2, x square plus 1, x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 2. Okay, so that is your divisor. Let's do the long division. Jangan confuse pula. Okay, mana kamu punya atas, mana yang bawah. So here we don't have x square, so just put it as 0x square. Divided by x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 2. Okay, boleh buat long division kamu. Okay, so now we have our remainder, and let's express it. Let's express our long division to the formula. So we have the question first. We have x cubed minus x minus 5 over the divisor x plus 2, x square plus 1 equals to, okay, quotient is 1 plus, here is all negative, 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 negative. So we can factorize terus negative kita. Minus 2x square plus, sini tertinggal x, 2x minus 7 over the divisor kita x plus 2, x square plus 1. Okay, so that is from long division. Second step is from long division. Now let's proceed to the third step, which is we are going to express this part only. Okay, this proper fraction only, and decompose it. So kita keluarkan dia, kita ada 2x square plus 2x minus 7 over x plus 2, x square plus 1. Okay, tengok kita punya factor, satu ialah linear, another one is a quadratic yang tak boleh factorize. Okay, quadratic yang tak boleh factorize, so we are going to expand this jadi a over x plus 2. So quadratic yang tak boleh factorize, apa atas dia? Ya, betul, bx plus c. Okay, so kat sini kita ada a over x plus 2, bx plus c over x square plus 1. So macam saya cakap, you can use both methods. Okay, you can use method 1, substituting any value ataupun the roots from the factors, or you can use comparing. Tapi macam saya cakap, for quadratic factor, cara yang paling senang ialah kita expand then compare. Okay, so let's see. Kita darabkan dulu. 2x square plus 2x minus 7 equals to ax square plus 1 plus bx, big bracket for bx plus c, x plus 2. Okay, so for quadratic factor, cara yang paling senang ialah compare. So we are going to expand this. 2x square plus 2x minus 7 equals to ax square plus a plus bx square plus 2bx plus cx plus 2c. Okay, now kumpulkan. We will have a plus bx square plus 2b plus c x, and last one a plus 2c, a constant. Okay, compare left hand side and right hand side. We are going to have a plus b equals to 2, 2b plus c equals to 2, a plus 2c equals to negative 7. Okay, saya harapkan nampak apa saya buat. This one compare dengan this one compare dengan this one. Okay, sorry, ini plus 7 kan soalan dia. Yes, negative 7. Yes, sorry, sini plus 7. Okay, alright, betul-betul. Sini plus 7. Kita dah keluarkan negatif kan? Keluarkan negatif, so dia jadi plus 7. So here is plus 7, plus 7, plus 7. So 7. Tak maaf le. Okay, so now kita ada 3 unknown dekat sini. So cara yang paling senang ialah kita light into something. So contoh dekat sini, saya nak a equals to, kita boleh letak a equals to 2 minus b. And here you have a. Let's put it as 2 minus b plus 2c equals to 7. And then kita jadikan b kita subject. So we will have b equals to 2c minus 5. Okay, so kita dah ada b, kita ada c, kita ada b in terms of c, so just substitute 2c minus 5 2c minus 5. Susahnya macam ni. 2c minus 5 plus c equals to 2. Okay, so we have 5c equals to 12. C is equals to 12 over 5. So straight away we are going to get our b, which is, what's the answer for b? Negative 1 over 5. And then our a is equals to 2 minus negative 1 over 5, 11 over 5. Okay, so tak kisahlah apa cara yang kamu guna untuk cari a, b, c kamu, ataupun in fact the first thing you want to substitute the factor x equals to negative 2 pun boleh juga, or you want to substitute any value 0, 1, 2, 3 pun okay juga. Okay, terpulang cara yang paling senang. Okay, alright, saya kecilkan sikit yang ini. Okay, so we have our a, b and c. Don't forget to put in partial fraction form. So we have 2x square plus 2x plus 7 over x plus 2 x square plus 1 equals to a is 11 over 5 x plus 2, b is negative 1 over 5, c is 12 over 5. So this one can just put it like this. C is 12 minus x over 5, x square plus 1. Okay, ngam. Okay, so that is the third step. The last step is to combine the improper fraction. Okay, combine from here to here. Okay, so now we have last step here. Step yang keempat, we have to combine. We have x cubed minus x minus 5 over x plus 2 x square plus 1 equals to 1. Jangan lupa 1 tu, qx itu jangan lupa. So the yellow part here akan jadi this thing. Okay, yang kita dah pecahkan, kita dah decomposekan proper fraction kita. So big bracket 11 over 5x plus 2 minus 12 minus x over 5 x square plus 1. Okay, tulis cantik. X cube minus x minus 5 x plus 2 x square plus 1 equals to 1 minus 11 over 5x plus 2 plus x plus 12 minus 12 over 5x square plus 1, and that will be your final answer for improper fraction, partial decomposition for partial fraction. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to proceed into the next example. Here we have x cube over x plus 1 square. Okay, sekejap saya tengok balik, betul ke? Okay, betul. Alright, so last example, yang ni saya akan buat quickly. So an improper fraction, power atas sama dengan power bawah. Atas degree 3, bawah pun degree 3. So let's just do long division. Start yang pertama, long division. Okay, we have our remainder here. Let's proceed to the second step, which is the formula. Okay, jangan lupa kat sini sebenarnya 1 plus negative 2x square minus x. Okay, saya factorizekan negatif ni terus jadi negatif lah. Jangan kamu ingat formula dia ialah minus, not plus. Okay, next step is we are going to take this proper fraction here. Okay, betul kan proper? Atas degree 2, bawah degree 3. So nice. And a proper fraction. So proceed to the third step. We are going to do a partial decomposition for that proper fraction. Okay, so ini ialah factor repeated. So we should have a over x plus b over x plus 1 without the power, and the other one is c over x plus 1 square with the power. Okay, so you want to use any method, substituting roots or comparing, both also can. Okay, silakan. Okay, so now we have our value for A, B and C. Let's put our final answer. I mean the answer for our partial decomposition for our proper fraction. Okay, kena tulis wajib tulis the answer. Tak boleh terus ke jawapan, terus ke combine. Nope. Kena tulis jawapan kita dulu. So A ialah 0. So dah tak ada lah. So kita terus ke B, 2 over x plus 1. And C is negative 1 over x plus 1 square. Alright, so now let's carry on to the last step here, which is to combine everything from here. Okay, combine everything from here to here. Okay, so now we will have our improper fraction kita ialah x cube over x plus 1 square. Quotient kita ialah 1. So the yellow part here is this one here. Okay, so we will have minus big bracket 2 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x plus 1 square. Okay, so expandkan lah. 1 minus 2 over x plus 1 plus 1 over x plus 1 square. And that will be your final answer. Okay? Alright. So that is how we do our partial fraction for improper fraction. Lagi sekali kita recap. First thing, the first step is to do long division. Second step is expression from the long division. So basically this is from 6.1. Okay. Third step here is to do partial decomposition for this proper fraction. Okay. So take out this one, px rx over dx ni, ambil keluar and buat kita punya partial decomposition. So everything here is from 6.2. And now you have to combine this with this. So now we will have our final answer. So here is your exit ticket 18. So hantar di hari Khamis nanti. Senang je, tak susah je tu, tak susah pun. Okay, submit on GC and that is all for chapter 6. Thank you guys.